Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can find the frequently asked questions in the Turkish Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then if you scroll down at the other section, click on the help button. And then click on the any questions button. So as you can see, here are all the popular subjects that you can read the most frequently asked questions about. So if you have any problems with the reservations and booking, just click on that button. And here you will find some general questions and some detailed answers regarding this topic. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.